Just want to say, I want to introduce, of course, TV is the introduction. Chitrangana, there you come. And these are the Singh twins, the artists whose paintings we use. Amrit and Rabindra. They're miniature painters who we collaborated with.
Ma'am, your left side left.
The prints and what they will do, nothing prints to use.
Ma'am, your left.
He is the CEO of Reliance.
One group picture.
Hello everyone. Please welcome Mr. Akhilesh Prasad, CEO Reliance Friends, Mr. Tarun Tahiliani and Chitrangana. Could I request Mr. Prasad to please say a few words about this?
Reliance Trends is absolutely delighted to be associated with Tarun to bring this outstanding collection to this country. We are also delighted to have Chitrangana walk around for us and be a showstopper.
Mic is here. Actually, the mics are here. Mic is here. Could they move a little bit out? You're on chairs? Yeah.
I know measurements, I know that.
Yeah, nobody can sit around me.
Okay.
But my dress.
Okay, do we need to redo that?
I think so.
Start all over again. Yeah.
Do you need Mr. Prasad to start again? Yeah. Just may as well do it so it's cool.
Reliance Trends is absolutely delighted to be associated with Tarun Tahiliani. He's bought for you a fabulous collection of prints from the Singh twins who are sitting to the left. We are overwhelmed with the response that Chitrangana looks absolutely, what should we say, ravishing?
Ravishing.
In this collection put together by Tarun.
Thank
you. Reliance Trends is very delighted to be associated with both of them. We are, as you all already know, the largest chain of stores in India. We cover more than 110 towns with 200 our stores. We hope to bring such collections to our Indian audience continuously. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Can I request Tarun to say a few words?
Well, I'm equally delighted to be here with my old favorite Chitrangana. We've done many wonderful shows together. Thank you, Mr. Prasad. And to introduce, who have now become dear friends, Amrit and Rabindra, the Singh twins, the painters who do modern miniatures. They call themselves past modern and use the Indian miniature technique in a modern way with perspective and with deep stories, like the story I told of the painting, The Killing Game, which was on the thing. When I saw their work at the NGMA many years back, we got in touch and we talked about the possibility of working with their paintings, which I deconstructed and reconstructed into my own prints, keeping in mind all the things that we Indians love, because our fashion has to be true to us. And even if you do a dress or a sari or a t-shirt, there's no reason why it shouldn't be Indian and magical, and that's how we go conquer the world. Not try and be derivative of anything, because we have such a rich heritage. And it's people like this who live abroad, incidentally, and have been born in England, who are more Indian than many of the Indians I know, but very modern too. And I think for all of us, that's the philosophy now. I think the past is over. We look forward to the future, but we keep our heritage and we modernize it, past, modern. That's what this collection was about. You know, you dress it up, you dress it down. There are turbans, there are many tribal influences because, you know, everyone does costumes of Royal India, but tribal India is way more sexy and enduring, you know. And to make it modern is much cooler. That's what this was about. Thank you all for being here. We're happy to take specific questions. Would you like to say a quick word?
Well, we just want to say that we're absolutely delighted to be working with such a creative genius as Tarun, and that's an understatement. It's been a brilliant experience, and especially part of such a prestigious fashion week as well. I think the collection, though, if I could correct, is not just about India, it's about a universal taste. I think your collection is going to be popular all over the world. It's not just designing for Indians, but it's getting that Indian brand and that Indian sensibility and that great skill that we have for creative vision to a much broader market instead of following Western trends.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can I also request Chitrangada to stay up with me?
This is what.
Yeah. Would you like me to hold it? Do that.
As you can see, I'm sitting amongst very accomplished people. You know, everybody's a force to reckon with, really, and especially
Beauty and modesty is just too heartbreaking. Anyway.
No, I'm coming to it. I'm part of this.
Touché.
I'm part of this, you know, I'm just keeping up. No, but really, I think
I love it.
It's just been such a pleasure for me today. And of everything that I've done so far and worked for a lot of people, a lot of designers, I think the energy that I felt today and the costume that I wore, everything, the entire collection. And I really, really do want to, you know, congratulate the two of you for doing something so amazing and so Indian. I mean, you guys really should be covering what she does. This is truly sensational. I mean, it's amazing, and it's all heritage. It's all India. And like Tarun just said that, you know, not even living in this country, not born here, but I think they're far more in love with our heritage and our culture and our history than we probably, I don't even want to say that we are, but we don't express as much. Thank you so much for having me here as a showstopper, Tarun. It's always a pleasure.
Thank you.
And Reliance
It has
Trends,
always been our pleasure too.
I mean, I don't have to say anything when it comes to Reliance.
So
And all the best.
we sit backstage and we psych the girls before the show. You know, you're gonna get it wound up. You just let them out like bullets on the ramp, and then she's like, come. This is the
The
course.
one word that you hear a lot Tarun saying in backstage is sexy. When you hear him say that, you're like, okay, yes I am, and then that's in your head.
Believe in your own goddess, baby.
Yes. So thanks to all those comments backstage, which are really helpful, and yeah, great evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Do we have any questions?
How did you translate your inspiration onto the runway?
Well, you know, I looked at the work for a long time and I decided that I couldn't use anything literal because that belongs to them to sell in museum stores if they did their scarves. So I deconstructed, I did printouts and we cut them and we made our own collages. I didn't want it full. She's not a painting. I mean, she is a painting, but she shouldn't be covered in a painting. So she needs to have portions of it. Clothing has to be modern. You know, this is not bridal. And I think even bridal now, everything has to pull back. We've gone too far. We have to be real. So we wanted little bits and things done. So this can be worn, for instance, with a choli, as a choli with a plain chiffon, beautiful with the shaded chiffon, lovely with jeans, with cut-off shorts, with your harem pants. These things are versatile, and you mix and match. So I just do separates. And it's like how, you know, our grandmothers didn't have a specific petticoat for a specific blouse. Indian just mixed things, and out of 10 things, you made 100 things. And somehow, even though that's a Western thing, it never worked as well unless you're wearing all black or all a particular color. But it's such a part of our Indian heritage. So if you work with a seasonal color of prints or a palette, then you can just mix and match and make your own story, you know. And that's what it is. We just, before we come to the show to fit, we get a fit model and say, okay, try this. No, make a white shirt. No, I'd like to see this. So it evolves. So they're little pieces because you don't want to see print with print with print. So you modernize it and keep it real, and you do beautiful scarves and you do little bags, whatever, you know. Then you get the weaves done.
Okay. And where are the accessories inspired from?
Well, it's always a bit tribal for me because I'm obsessed by, you know, the freedom of tribal kind of sensuality. I mean, I feel when I look at costumes of Royal India, it's beautiful, but it's a bit weighed down. It's a bit stiff. It's stilted. It's more fun in kind of, you know, Adivasi freedom, if you like. I mean, that might sound a bit crazy, but in a way,
No, it is. It's
you
some
know,
kind of
yeah, you know.
raw.
So there's a rawness, a sensuality to it that, you know, say Amrita Shergill had as a painter. So we, you know, keep building on this. I like anklets. I like baju buns. I like big rings with colored stones. I always like that. We're not a country of trend to go from season to season. Our heritage has been to just been built. She can take her great-grandmother's saris and wear them. You couldn't do that if you were English. You know, you couldn't. We look like in some kind of costume. So we have to strike that balance, as I'm sure all big retail understands, because we live in the past and we live here, and we must move to the future. So I love Africa. I love Indian. I love tribal societies. I like mantikas. I love scarves and wraps. And I love, for me, the most important thing is draping, because our heritage is draping. Beautiful textile, whether it was printed or woven, and people just draped it. You wore dhotis and safas and turbans and, you know, saris in different kinds of ways. That's our heritage. And if everyone wears Western clothes, we lose it. So we do structured drapes. And then it just comes together. I never know what's going to look like till a week before. We're working on pieces, and we hope that the whole will always be greater than the sum of the parts.
Method to madness.
Yeah.
Chitrangada, what would you say about your association with Reliance Trends?
Well, like I just said, very accomplished people that I'm sitting with. Now, I think Reliance Trends, like he said, has already made such a mark. So thank you for having me as a showstopper. I'm very happy to work for Reliance Trends. And I really like the whole concept of it, that that you are democratizing fashion, and that you are taking fashion to places who don't have that much of an access. Because a lot of times, I think fashion is pocketed, into these very big metros and cities, and a lot of people don't have the access and don't feel connected to this fashion kind of a revolution that India is going through right now. So I think what they're doing is amazing, and taking fashion to them, and just connecting all the dots all across the country. I think is superb. So. Yeah, and I believe they are now going up to 180 cities next year.
That's amazing. I didn't know that.
It's like crazy numbers.
I didn't know we
2
had
lakh,
180 cities.
You are selling 2 lakh pieces of clothing every day.
Wow.
Okay. So that's what they're doing.
Tarun, many congratulations for the show.
Thank you.
Since the Lakme Fashion Week, everyone was anticipating what you will be presenting today. सबकी निगाहें आप ही पर थी.
Well, I hope we didn't disappoint you.
No, it was a brilliant
Good, thank
show.
you.
कितना समय लगा आपको ये इतना सब conceptualize implement करने के लिए?
We're now in March. I think we started work like maybe April or May last year. Because the process of making the prints is very long, We deconstructed their paintings, we took out the borders. They said there's 3 whole, giant CDs of hundreds of things that you have to sift through. So you have to shortlist, then you make your mood boards of motives. It's a process of distilling, and then you use, because we had started, we were the first people to do the digital printing, which got copied a lot, unfortunately, with the jewels. And now we've said that it is a fantastic technique, so we've got to use it in a new way. And not just be scanning things from books. I could have scanned, but I called them and said, look, we want to work with you. Let's do it in an organized way. And so you're also part of this. So it's, and then from there we did the silhouettes. We do silhouette work separately. We do print development separately, embellishment separately. And then, but I don't know.
So how long does a dress like this take you to make?
Well, when I heard it was you, I redid the skirt because the original one was boring. You got a diva, you've got to flounce a bit, right? You've got to,
I'm so generous. This is too
That's
generous.
true. Honestly, the first one was a bit boring. I said, looks like a petticoat, but let's stop it. Cut it, slash it, let's start it over.
चित्रांगदा, हम लोग जब भी आपको कहते हैं कि आप सुंदर लग रही हैं, लेकिन हर बार नेक्स्ट टाइम आप हमें और mesmerize कर देती हैं. And today, like, apart from your dress, your lips are also.
Oh my God. For that you deserve a little kiss. On your cheek. I got one, that's for my reasons.
या तो ये इसका राज बताइए, भेद बताइए.
How do you do this?
इसकी लीला बताइए.
इसकी लीला थी करीब 2 घंटे लंबी. बिकॉज हमने 2 घंटे लगाए हैं. मेरी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, आई वांट टू थैंक हर फॉर दिस. ये सारा जो लुक डिज़ाइन हुआ है, तरुण एंड मेरी जो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है महक, दे गॉट टुगेदर, उन्होंने डिज़ाइन किया है. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. और थैंक यू सो मच to you for being so very generous, especially the lips. Lips, Mehak, superb idea.
क्या आप चांद हैं जो आप बार-बार disappear दिखती नहीं है, आप एक बार दिखा के झलक निकल जाती हैं.
You'll understand MP.
No.
No, I'm going.
Why missing the big thing? That's what you mean.
What you mean is that, yeah, I'm missing, I swear. नहीं, अगर एक फिल्म है जो बंदूकबाज, जिसकी हमने शूटिंग शुरू करी थी, एक सेकंड शेड्यूल है. We've run into a little bit of a date issue with Nawaz. वो बहुत ज़्यादा busy हैं आजकल, like you know. So he has to obviously finish with Salman first and then come to us. So yeah, so there is that film बंदूकबाज, जो कि
एक जो बात कानों में तक पहुंची थी लास्ट, जो कि लाइक आप सलमान खान से भी मिली थी और फिर पता नहीं कहाँ गायब हो गया. आप बताइए क्या करें, मैं विश्वास करें या नहीं करें?
जो आपकी मर्जी.
Okay, thank you.
Always deflect.
Which the team.
नहीं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से रिक्वेस्ट आई है आपके लिए कि विशेष भेजिए आप उनको सेमीफाइनल्स के लिए.
आपको किसने फोन किया?
सबने
You will only get into trouble. Huh?
Would you like to wish them?
Of course, I would like to wish them, and I was following cricket. I think we are very close to it now. So, history repeats again, I think, very soon. So, I think it's very big celebration coming. And I'm pretty sure we are winning it.
Sorry, Chitrangada, about the spring-summer collection for Reliance Trends. What would you like to say about that?
Well, it's spring-summer collection. I think it's very colorful, and I think it's got everything that summer should have. So many bright colors, and amazing kind of collection that's come in. So yeah, I think it's beautiful.
Chitrangada, do you do a lot of mix and match? What's your wardrobe like?
Very sad, but if you were to open my cupboard, I have only whites and black and grey and a lot of jeans, and that's it. So I'm more like a jeans t-shirt girl. But yeah, I don't think I go with very color coordinated or very, kind of, everything is not planned. I like to mix things, and I'm more like a high street person, that kind of fashion. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Can we just have one last picture?
Sure.
That was.
One sec, Tarun. Ma'am, here.